Hello folks, it's Joshua here from Joshua Hamby Racing today. Today we're going to do the swap of the steering wheel. Right now we got the GT Grant in here. I do like GT Grant, but I'm going to swap it out. And I'm going to put the quick release on here. So here is what we have right now. It is a 5-bolt pattern. And we're going to swap it out for a 6. I'm just waiting for all my stuff to get in the mail right now. So first, let's crank this thing off. All right, here it is. Bloop! All right, take that bad boy off. I'm just going to plop it right there for a little while. All right, what do we have here? We have, let's see, got this guy with the horn hookup, although it's not hooked up to anything because of the whole rewiring and all we did. So yeah, there's the 5. I'm going to take this whole little hubby doodad off and let's get the other one on here soon. Alright, so we have 19 mil for this. It's just a deep well to get around the mounts there. Alright, I had to come back from the trip. Now I'm back at it on this this thing. Okay, so on the mount, this is the GT Grant mount. I had to come up with a contraption because I didn't have a steering wheel remover thing. Tool, so I ended up with this little tool that I had I threaded there, and it just puts pressure on the center there to pull this off, so it just pops off like this. Bloop. So that's the tool, and and we're left with this. So now to put the NRG hub. Okay, here's the hub adapter NRG, and it's just gonna go bloop, just like that. I'm gonna put the nut on. All right, nuts on it there. Just gonna give it a little torque. I don't think it's much doing the horn because of the swap and all, but this is how you would connect it if you were to plug the horn in. But I'm not. I'm just gonna put it right here and attach it with these. All right, there it is. Hub's on. Alright, there we go. All on and fitted. Alright, it's on. So if you look up here, here's the little disconnect. See that little tab? You push it, grab this. Boop. There's the old hub. Like I said, I don't have the horn hooked up or anything. And then just to put it back on, you just pop it on like this. Boop.